Welcome to 240 Santa Lucia Drive in West Palm Beach, Florida. We are located in the South of Southern neighborhood, also known as Soso. This beautifully renovated 4-bedroom and 3-bath home also comes with a separate designated office. The open concept of this home is light, bright, and airy. It offers a split bedroom floor plan with 2 bedrooms on the east side of the house, 1 bedroom on the west side of the house, and a master suite upstairs, separate from the rest of the home. Fully renovated and restored, the now kitchen has more of an open concept. It overlooks the family room, the breakfast nook, and the living room. The kitchen itself has new quartz countertops, brand new white shaker-style cabinets, new cafe appliances that are white with the bronze handles, and a deep sink for all of your kitchen needs. Aside from the 3 bedrooms on the first floor, this home also boasts 2 first-floor bathrooms and 1 office. Now featuring wide plank porcelain tile throughout this home, both the first and the second floor, as well as the stairwell, all have the same flooring. The large primary bedroom encompasses the entire second floor. The primary bathroom incorporates a soaking tub, a walk-in shower with seamless glass, marble floors, double sinks, and tons of natural light. The oversized primary bedroom has a private porch on both the north and south sides of the home. The north side porch overlooks Santa Lucia, while the south side porch overlooks the luscious backyard and the amazing swimming pool. The home itself has a living area of 2,925 square feet. Under roof, though, the house is 3,395 square feet, which also incorporates a 1-car garage. The total lot size is 75 feet wide by 95 feet deep and is 7,405 square feet. Driving up to the home, you immediately notice the very large shaded oak tree. Adjacent to the oak tree and as a beautiful pathway to the home is a bright white coral stone. That coral stone also is featured in the backyard around the now redesigned swimming pool. The backyard is private, quiet, and has ample light for both bathing and swimming. Should you have any interest in this beautifully redesigned 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with an office located at 240 Santa Lucia Drive in West Palm Beach, Florida, I would welcome a phone call. You can reach me anytime on my cell phone, 561-628-2077, or via email at sabrakirk@gmail.com. Thank you.